tell me music's haram, but I don't get my deen from Saudi. How many times have I prayed my salah? I can't go sleep without Surah Fala. And then man tried to call me a jahil, but we both know that it's cause of my colour. Had me thinking the deen was evil, had to go Senegal to find my people. I'm out in Medina, bites with the vibe so live, so the vibe so peaceful. But these pagans getting me vexed. If I reply I might go viral, cause I punch man up like Moses, then I'm dick to my G's in Cairo. Now everybody wanna ride this wave, got me out here feeling like Noah. But my shit don't take no snakes, pigs, all of that get dashed over. Pray to Raqqa, then I make Toba. Fly to Dakar, then I hit Polar. Man can't chat about what I know, cause you be thinking my oh gosh. What going for the shoot, he's lost. Man got knowledge and paid that cost. Still I done bare sins like sweet, so I make that wudu and wipe them off. Still on Dean, swam frontline there in the mosque. In the morning pray for my niggas, in the evening pray for my ops. Still on Dean, but the HB still won't allow me. And they tell me music haram, but I don't get my deen from Saudi.